To find the length of an arc, we have to find its relationship to the circle it is part of. Let's look at this first one. Find the length of the arc A of the circle pictured. The radius of the circle R is 22 centimeters, and the measure of the angle X is 26 degrees. So we've got the arc proportion compared to the circle proportion. Okay, and we've got the circumference, or the distance around, and we've got the number of degrees. A circle has 360 degrees, and the distance around this circle is pi, 2 times pi times 22. This arc is 26 degrees. How far is it around the circle? Cross multiply and divide. So on our calculator, we would set it up as a fraction, and the numerator is 26 times 2 times pi. Oops. It didn't get pi in there. There we go. Shift pi times the radius, 22, over 360, the number of degrees in a circle, and we get 9.98 centimeters. Next one. Now we've got a slightly bigger circle. Let's find the distance around this one. I'm sorry, bigger arc in the sense that it takes up more of the circle. Find the length of the arc A of the circle pictured below. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeters, and the measure of X is 209 degrees. So we've got the arc side, and we've got the circle side, circumference and the number of degrees. Make those two proportions equal. There's 360 degrees here. This is 2 times 4 times pi. And the degrees here is 209. So on our calculator, we've got the fraction 209 times 2 times 4 times pi over 360, and we get, when it simplifies, 14.59 centimeters. Next one. That's just like the one that we just did, isn't it? Looks like it. Well, let's do it. It's the last one. Oh, I see. It might be set up as an arc. I'm sorry. Nope, it gives the radius. I don't know. So we've got the arc, and we've got the circle, circumference, and the number of degrees. The arc has 90 degrees is the arc that we don't want. So this part here is 90. So our part that we do want over here, X, is 360 minus 90. For the circle, the circumference is 2 pi times 25, and there are 360 degrees in a circle. So let's look at this one. How would we do this math on our calculator? We're going to have a fraction here, and let's use parentheses, 360 minus 90, which we know is 270. We could have done that. Times 2 times pi times 25 over 360, and we get 75 pi over 2, which is 117.81. This then is our lesson 3.1.D.